something? I'm not rude. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today is day 3 of my 1 palette challenge, and it's coming down to the wire, you guys. I am really a little bit over this challenge. I'm not even gonna lie. It's becoming a little difficult. In my opinion, the last 2 looked really similar. The last 2 looks were really similar to each other, so I'm a little disappointed in that, but they were 2 separate looks, so I will give myself that, and I will roll with the punches. Today I'm going to try to make sure that it's very different. I'm going to make sure that it's not so similar to the other looks. This look is going to be kind of simple though, because I don't want to do too much. Just, I don't know, just don't want to do too much. So I'm thinking like a liner and probably 1 shade or something like that. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I always say I want to do something and it ends up being something else. So again, I am doing this 1 palette challenge to challenge myself to be a little more creative and to financially keep myself under control. So once I hit 300 subscribers, I will be able to make another purchase for makeup. 400, 500, 600, you get the point. I'm ready to spend my husband's money, so make sure you are hitting that subscribe button. Turn on your notifications so you never miss a posting. Let's get right into this challenge. Today, again, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe eyelid primer. This is in the shade Translucent. I don't know if I've ever mentioned that, but it is translucent, although it shows up on my eyes pretty white, so I don't know exactly what that means or why that happens, but it shows up on my eyes pretty white, so I don't think they understand what translucent means, but we're going to be using this today again. I mean, it comes out kind of a beige color, so I don't think it's really translucent. Unless I'm just using too much. That really could be the problem. I don't know. Normally I use my setting powder to set my eyes, but today I'm going to go into the palette and set my eyes. I'm going to use the color Patchouli to set my eyes today. Need a bigger brush. I'm going to take this fluffy eye blending brush and I'm going to go into Rose and I'm going to put that all over my lid. So I started with the blending brush, but of course it made a huge mess, which that was my fault. So I switched over to this eye crease brush and allowed me to place it where I wanted it. And then I went back in with the blending brush and just blended that up as much as possible. So now using the same brush, I'm going to go into Clove. Thinking that's what I want to do. I'm hoping that this turns out right. If it doesn't, I have another idea, but we're going to go into Clove really quick and just blend that up and out even more. Okay, so now I'm going to use an eyeliner, and that will be it for the lids, and then I'll do my, well, let's just do the eyeliner. I'm going in with the Ink Professional Makeup Epic ink liner. I haven't used this in a while. I actually haven't used liner in a while. So we have a little wing, nothing too big or extravagant, but I'm going to do the rest of my face, do my brows, my lashes, and we will be back to finish this look. Okay, so the rest of my face is done. I'm glowing. We've got a completely different look, which I'm super happy about. So we're going to finish these eyes and see how it looks. I don't know why I'm thinking this brush is going to do exactly what I want it to, but we'll see. I'm going to go in with Jasmine and take that into the inner corner and into the brow. I'm going back in with my blending brush. I'm just going to tap into, oh, I just smashed this. I only use this for the mirror, so I'm really not that bothered by it. I'm going to dip into Clove, just a real little bit. Pat, 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 and blend that. I'm going to take that crease brush and I'm going to dip. What did I do? No. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm going to dip into Rose and go under the lower lash, not bringing it all the way across. So just focusing on the outer corner. I'm taking that blending brush and again staying on the outer corner and just blending that out. Okay, now I'm going to put on mascara and voila, this look is complete, I believe. Yeah, looks pretty done to me. I like this look. This look so far is my favorite of this challenge. It's super simple, super easy, but still like a pop of color and very much look at me. I like it. I like it. This challenge is very challenging. I didn't think it was going to be this hard, to be honest. I really thought I was going to be able to get through this with no problem, but I am having to really dig in the back of my mind for my creativity and to try to figure things out. And it's good though, because when I get other palettes or when I go to work on bigger palettes, I'll know how to use more colors and how to incorporate more styles and more techniques and things like that. So I'm really learning. It is a learning process. Although it's fun and a challenge, it is, I'm learning a lot. I'm getting to know how to use a small palette, because honestly, that's all I buy is big palettes. Like a lot of my palettes that I have purchased have 18 colors or more, 15 to 18 colors or more. So I personally try to make sure that my palettes have a lot of colors so that I have a lot of options and can figure it out. Whereas with a smaller palette, it's like, oh my gosh, what can I do with 3 colors? What can I do with 8 colors? What can I do with 4 colors is how I feel. But in all actuality, I am able to do a lot more, and doing this challenge is allowing me to figure that out because this only has 8 shades. So I'm loving working with this palette. I don't regret picking this palette either. I thought, to be honest, yesterday I thought I was gonna regret picking this palette because I feel like the colors are just so hard to work with, and because of the type of shades that they are, I feel like it's just, I'm just gonna universally get one type of look. But again, I just have to be creative and figure it out, and I'm doing that, and I'm loving it, and I'm having a really good time. I will have to try to I'm trying not to pull inspiration from anything, but we will see. We will see, okay? Because this is not easy, but I do encourage other people to try it. Again, I've seen just one person doing the one palette a month thing, and hers is more so of a review to see how she can use the palette and is it worth buying, and that's just what she does it for, I believe. But I'm doing it for a financial savings and just to open my creativity and to be more creative and to see where I can go with certain colors and shades and stuff, and it'll help me to want to buy more palettes that I've turned away from because of certain reasons or certain shades or not enough shades, things like that. So it helps. I'm definitely learning a lot. I will say that. At the very least, I'm learning a lot. So I'm excited about this challenge. I hope that you guys are enjoying it. I'm having a really good time. I'm halfway through. I have 3 more days to do this challenge, and I think I can make it. I think I will be able to make it. I think I'll be able to get it done, and it'll be successful. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this challenge, what you guys are thinking about these looks. If you like them, if you have any suggestions, I would definitely like to take them. But yeah, if you guys like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, remember, if you subscribe and get me to 300 subscribers, I can buy more makeup. I can spend my husband's money. But yeah, if you help me get to 300 subscribers, I would truly appreciate it. It would definitely help me out. And make sure you turn on your notifications so you know when I am posting. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.